Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're tackling a crucial topic: how to freeze your credit after a data leak in 2025. With data breaches on the rise, it's more important than ever to protect your personal information and prevent identity theft. Let's break this down step by step so you can take action right away. First, what exactly is credit freezing? It's a free service offered by credit bureaus that locks your credit report, making it nearly impossible for fraudsters to open new accounts in your name. This is especially vital after a data leak, as your info might be floating around on the dark web. Step 1. Identify the major credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Start by visiting their websites or calling their dedicated lines. In 2025, many of these processes are fully digital for faster results. Step 2. Gather your personal details to verify your identity. You'll need things like your social security number, date of birth, and current address. Once verified, you can request a credit freeze, which usually takes effect immediately or within one business day. Step 3. Understand the implications. Freezing your credit won't affect your existing loans, credit cards, or bills, but it will block new applications until you lift the freeze. If you need to apply for credit, you can temporarily unfreeze it online or by phone, often in minutes. Beyond freezing, don't forget other protective steps. Monitor your bank accounts regularly, change all your passwords to strong, unique ones, and consider enabling two-factor authentication. If you're in the US, you might also want to place a fraud alert on your file. In 2025, keep an eye on any new federal guidelines that could simplify this process, but the core steps remain reliable. By taking these measures, you're putting up a strong defense against identity thieves. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more practical tips. Stay safe and secure out there. See you in the next one.